Hello everyone, Tom10 here. This time I would like to go a different path and showcase you one of job examples I made for a client. It's about Lottie animations to be used on the website. In case if you are not familiar with Lottie, it allows to create animations in the After Effects and the Bodymovin plugin export it to be used on the website as native animation. If done properly, it's a very lightweight and unique way to animate things in your website. I will also share a few ideas how to make it even more attractive for your customer if you use it on your website. That said, let's jump ahead. The idea here is that once you export the animation from the After Effects, you are able to preview how animation would look like on the website on LottieFiles.com. That way you can make sure all effects and assets used are properly loaded and it won't be a problem to use it on the website. I have export already. Since it includes some images and other stuff, I had just zipped it, and once I drop it in the panel here, it will load up the animation. We can expand it and you can see that here it animates and it is native. It was quite intense project because animation is specifically long for this case, but you can see that everything is customizable and on the web you could do a lot with it. What I think would be very cool in the actual use case of such animation is that you could actually change the titles in these boxes, change the pictures dynamically, so once the page loads, it could automatically replace the data with different content. That way user experience would be very interesting. You can see that everything works natively and the whole flow is animated the way it's actually working in the Seamless panel. And the animation is also loopable, so you can just use it without any constraints. If you are interested how to make this type of animation from asset preparation to actual design and export, feel free to subscribe to my channel and I will make sure to create that video in the future as well. Hopefully this gave you a bit of a glance of this type of animations and you are interested for more how to achieve this in After Effects and then to be used in the website. Thanks for your time and I hope to see you around.